Hi, this is day 7 of my 7-day English speaking challenge. Today I'm thinking about something important. What improves English more? Thinking in English or actually speaking in English? So, as per my understanding, some people focus on thinking in English, and on the other hand, some people focus on speaking English. But are they same skills? See, when you think silently, there is no pressure. But when you speak out loud, your brain works differently, like your tongue, your speed, your confidence, everything is active. But the question is, which one builds real ability faster? If I talk about this 7-day English speaking series, I speak a lot, and based on my personal experience, I can confidently say neither only thinking in English or speaking practice will help you, with the balance of both it is the key. If I have to give a percentage of thinking and speaking, I would say it depends on the stage you are in. Are you totally a beginner or intermediate or a advanced learner? It depends on that. If you are a totally beginner, you should focus on consuming content as much as you can, because if you have input, then you will produce output. If you don't know anything, what will you say? So it is very important to have some information, some content in English, so that you can produce based on that. But if you are intermediate level, so you should focus on both things equally. Maybe the 50-50 should be the ratio, or maybe 70% you should focus on speaking, and 30% consuming English content, and not a beginner level content, but intermediate or advanced level content that is slightly harder to understand for you. Go for those kind of content for now, and as you grow, just to upgrade the content, the difficulty of understanding that content. So yeah, I was talking about my personal experience about this 7-day English speaking series. So there are four things that I consider my learnings of this series, and I would love to share with you. One, I became more comfortable making mistake without stopping myself. Like, I used to a person who scares a lot making mistakes or being seen or being judged. Like I've mentioned these things in my earlier videos. But as I'm making this video, the fear of judgment, the fear of making mistake or being judged or feeling so uncomfortable with some topics became so less. And the second thing, fear didn't disappear, but the tolerance for it increases. I act despite, and that's matters most for me. Like, I used to a someone who never starts something, who thinks a lot to start, but I used to collect so much information. I used to love learning new things, but when it comes to executing those things, I fear a lot. I have this disease called perfectionism, which never allows me to start anything that I wanted. But gradually, I am focusing on the action more than the information. And whatever I know, I try to act on it, because I understood information is nothing without taking an action. And that's why now I focus more on action than information. And the third thing is speaking flow likely improved slightly. But I count it because you want to notice a very visible result, but for me, I can feel it. I can feel that easiness while speaking or while expressing an idea or thought. So I count this, and this is very important for me. If I don't appreciate this tiny improvement, these tiny changes, how would I stick with this journey? Because these are the tiny things that motivates you to be on this journey. And personally, for me, the tiny improvements, this tiny changes motivates me a lot. I acknowledge these tiny improvements. I appreciate myself to putting those efforts. And the fourth thing is, whenever I used to shoot a video, I always think how this video will turn out. How will I look in that? How will I speak? All of that insecurity related things. But after this 7 series, there's a shift in my mind. Now I focus on how clearly I can express this idea. I focus on more on that, and it's a mindset upgrade for me. I think this mindset can change a lot of things. Like, if I give you an example, I used to hesitate a lot when I shoot a video, or I just think about to shoot a video. I cringe a lot that this video is not good, not looking this. I said that or that. But these thoughts come even now. But that to reduce the amount of thought reduces so much, and that matters a lot than anything. So these were the four changes, or I would say four improvement that I noticed in my last 7 days English speaking challenge. And I want to say something. After completing this challenge, I don't feel perfect, but I understand the process better. And I think that's matters most. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, or this video help you in some. If yes, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such a content. And let me know your thoughts in comment section. What you want me to cover in next video. Until then, keep learning and keep exploring.